Two automation giants go head to head. One big question, which one truly makes integration easier? On one side, Pipedream, known for its developer-friendly workflows and speed. On the other, Workato, the enterprise powerhouse focused on versatility and automation at scale. We're testing them in real-world scenarios you care about. Integrations, usability, pricing, extensibility, support, and more. Let's forget the marketing jargon and see how they really stack up. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one deserves your attention. The winner will know exactly which one deserves your attention. The win might just surprise you. That's one truly makes inspiration. Here's a quick visual of what we're going to compare, so you know you're not missing anything important. We'll look at pricing, integrations and connectors, the developer experience, enterprise features, analytics and monitoring, and also the whole community and ecosystem thing. Ready? Let's go category by category. Okay, let's kick things off with pricing. Now, Pipedream, it's got a pretty sweet free tier like. You can actually get real stuff done on the free plan, and their pricing is clear as day. But yeah, once you need those extra features, you'll have to reach for the paid plans. Meanwhile, Workato does offer discounts for big orgs and it scales well, but their pricing? Super mysterious, like you have to hop on a call just to get a quote. And honestly, small businesses might feel that pinch. Winner here? Pipedream keeps it way more accessible, so points to them. Moving on to integrations and connectors. So, Pipedream boasts over 800 connectors, and it's super flexible if you want to roll up your sleeves and mess with REST APIs. But you might notice a few gaps when it comes to certain business apps. Now, Workato? It's a total beast in this lane. Over 1,000 connectors, plus way deeper hooks into apps like large ERPs, CRMs, all the SaaS stuff. Sure, their developer APIs aren't quite as flexible, but for pure breadth and depth, Workato's taking this round. Let's talk developer experience. And oh boy, this is where Pipedream shines, especially if you're someone who likes to code. It's got that whole code-first vibe, Node.js, Python, Go, plus real-time logs and debugging, which is honestly such a lifesaver. But yeah, if you don't like getting into code, it might feel overwhelming. Workato serves up that classic drag and drop, lots of pre-built templates, so you can get going fast, no code skills needed. But, and it's a big but, custom scripting. Pretty limited. So for developers who really want that flexibility, Pipedream wins it. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? Pipedream can run your workflows in literal seconds. Meanwhile, Workato is automating millions of processes every single day. It's kind of wild how much these platforms can handle, right? Alright, sliding over to enterprise features. Pipedream covers the basics. OAuth, webhooks, versioning, you name it. But if you're talking heavy-duty compliance like SOC2 or HIPAA, it's not quite there. Workato, though, it's enterprise royalty. They check basically every compliance box you can think of, plus loads of governance and audit controls. If you're a big company with strict requirements, Workato's made for you, even if getting set up does feel a bit heavy for smaller teams. Gotta give this round to Workato. Ow. Analytics and monitoring. Pipedream lets you track runs, logs, errors. Decent for troubleshooting, but the dashboards and insights feel a little basic. Workato, on the other hand, goes all in with process analytics, built-in reports, alerts, the whole package. To be fair, some of those bells and whistles hide behind premium plans, but for serious monitoring, it's hard to beat. Workato is the clear pick here. And finally, community and ecosystem. Pipedream has this awesome open source library, plus a really active developer community, lots of sharing, lots of building. If you want enterprise partners, there aren't as many, but for raw community-driven flex, it's great. Workato sticks more with the professional support angle and has a recipe marketplace, but honestly, the community customization isn't as big a thing. So Pipedream takes this last round, at least if you're into tinkering. Let's take a step back and look at how both stack up overall. If you lay it all out, pricing, integrations, developer experience, enterprise-grade features, analytics, and community, the strengths start to really show. Pipedream carves out its space for devs and small teams. Workato flexes for the big players. So, bottom line, if you're a developer or just want to automate quickly and don't want to sell your soul for a quote, Pipedream is honestly hard to beat. But if you're in an enterprise zone, need the deep integrations, the hardcore compliance, all that reporting power, Workato is absolutely where you want to look. But for most devs and agile teams, I'm going with Pipedream here. Alright, if this comparison helped you out, hit that subscribe button. We do this for SaaS tools all the time, totally unbiased, totally no fluff. Don't miss out.